at Mithi Resort and Spa. You can enjoy the pool, strolling by the beach, and it's even got that nice islet over there. Lastly, check out this amazing cave. Hi guys, we are in Mithi
Resort and Spa.
So nice. And just beside me is thick vegetation throughout Mukabalo. And then we'll be exploring this later. There's a cave there. That's what we will do today. We'll explore the pool. Maliligo tayo sa beach, di ba?
Yes,
And we'll explore the cave.
Cambagat Cave.
And that's the Cambagat cave for you. So, later, you'll have breakfast muna, di ba?
Yep.
Yeah. Flowers. Church and Google.
So pretty.
Let's go! Ang nakanindot dire sa Mithi Resort guys is that naa siya sa cliff, right? And then ang cliff na dito ang resort, the pool is there. It's got a nice view, so when you're eating, when you're swimming sa pool, it's so nice. The view is so nice, and I'll show you the pictures later. And then if you decide to hit the beach, munaog ra ka, and then you see this amazing view downstairs that you never thought naara dire, and duol ra kaayo, right? And then what's good is you even have the mini island over there, which pwede sa nimo adtuan. And tara, adto ta. And we can catch some crabs. Let me show you. This is the water, it's so clear, right? So, I used to catch crabs when I was small, right? Here in Mithi, you can also catch crabs, apparently. Though they don't bite you or fun or anything, they're very shy and timid. And he's biting me now. Ouch, ouch, ouch. There. That's your crab for you, or what? Crablet? Kasi maliit, di ba?
Yeah, it's a crablet.
Yeah. Close up. Yeah. So, yun.
Can I see the back? Let it go.
So let's go, Mr. Krabby or Mrs. Krabby or whatever, right?
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Mrs. Krabby. Narata sa mini island, or what they call the islet, right? And as you can see, it's nasa tunga sa dagat, and then it's blue-green sea. It's so nice. You can see the fishes. There's crabs. You can see the fishes there. Oh, it's so nice. You can zoom in. Pan to the right. Oh,
And then you go.
wow.
This is nice.
Padong na ta sa Cambagat Cave. But I want to show this. This is the impact of Typhoon Odette here in Bohol. This is one of the many examples. See the tree there, here. Nakuan gid siya, no? Nalukat gid ang kahoy. And this is a very big mahogany tree. So tara, naog na ta sa cave. So our room is that, and then nara gid siya sa likod. And that's how amazing it is, right? So guys, I am so excited. So for me, who's a nature lover, this really makes Mithi Resort one of the best resorts in Bohol, if not the best, because in the resort itself they have this amazing cave. So as you can see, you can even swim inside the cave. So you, at first glance, you think it's small, right? But if you can look under, as we pan down under, pwede ka maligo dun, and the water is like 12 feet deep. The water is so clear. Come on, let's shut the water. Two words. Bugnaw, tinaw. The best. So let's go there where we can swim. The water's 12 feet deep and we'll take a swim. So let's go.
That's a dinosaur.
And they have the golf cart to carry you around, and we're gonna go to the Verdant Pavilion. Let's go. Man-made forest fields. There you go. Kung wala pa mo ma-sold out sa pool by the cliff, the beach, and even the cave, like, I don't know, but in all the resorts I've been in, I don't know of any resort who has this type of building. It's just an open building, and it's very
Spacious.
very spacious. It's a vast extreme. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll just show you. Come on. This is what they call the Verdant Pavilion, and as you can see, it's got this huge amount of space for your gatherings, for receptions, and it's so nice. It feels like a park in itself, right? You can see there. It's just so big. So again, if you're looking for a resort that has everything from me, especially if you're very into nature, as you can see, my background is just really the birds, right? Endemic birds. We've seen kingfishers. Saw a lot of fishes dito sa dagat. You have the pool, you have the beach, you have all the amenities that resorts have. But what separates them for me is really the Cambagat cave. It reminds me of Sydney. I don't know.
It is the opera house.
Yeah, right?